In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date, time and region on Poco C75. Go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, tap on date and time. As you can see, date and time is disabled. To enable this, simply tap on this toggle to disable the set time automatically. Now, as you can see, date and time is enabled. I will simply tap on date. I will select the date, tap on OK, and I will select the time. Now, if you want to change the region, then simply tap on this toggle, tap on select time zone, tap on the region. Let's say I will select the my region. As you can see, my region is also changed. So this is how you can change date, time and region on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.